Bon, vas-y, je te laisse.
Allez, bonne nuit, chef.
Yes, ciao, boy. So yeah, it's Sunday night again, and I want to share with you tonight a little duel I made with a guy I've seen a lot of times since I started to play again in the factional warfare. In the factional warfare things, I guess, I don't know. So yeah, the guy is Baritone Rinks. Look at this picture, mate. Look at this. It's so funny, mate. I love it. I love it. Anyway, I was chilling and plexing in Aubenal with a guy I just met few systems before. For the story, the guy walked to me when I was in the complex and asked me gently if we could share LP and flit up together and have fun. So I agreed. So yeah, I'm in Aubenal with Mortus and we are plexing. Then I saw Baritone on the system. Then I remember last time we fought each other, it was a loss for me. So I wanted my revenge. I asked him gently if he wants to come to duel me at the Sun, and he agreed. He agreed. Nice. So we warped together at the Sun at 50. Unfortunately, Mortus warped to us, and when the fight was almost done, he launched his drone to Baritone. Sorry, mates. I wish it could be a fair and nice 1v1, but it is what it is. I would probably win, I don't really know. Or it could be a really, really close duel. But good fight, mates. Good fight. Good fight. After the duel, Mortus said to us he didn't check the local and the chat, so that's why he warped to us and engaged him. Sweat. So yeah, as a manner, I don't know, to pay my respect to this guy, because I've seen him a lot and he gives to us like funny content during the weekend, I contract him his loss.
Oh, tu portes un débardeur de salope? Ah, et pas seul le snap. Ici, c'est que du vrai, que du réel.
J'ai versé un seau d'eau, la stage de Saddam, les becs de Statham, la peu je la dame, je m'envole comme Adam. Depuis petit je fais ce qu'il a m'adonne, et j'aime que l'olive mais je te parle pas d'atol. Sur le rinté je distribue des crochets, mais pour maman c'est la lune que je vais décrocher. Alors je passe à la ligne péter du rosé, et la prod je l'allume, je lui mets des crochets. Sonne pas.